Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show step by step how you can easily add formulas and how you can work with formulas in monday.com. Now, formulas are really similar to Excel or Google Sheets that you are using if you are using that. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can actually do it and what you can achieve with it. So the first thing I want to do is just go to the end of, let's say, your main table project that you have here. Click here, add a column, and straight away you should be able to find more columns. In search, you want to write formulas, and you will see here board power up and formula add to board. Now, in a moment when you have it, how it actually works. So you can have Control plus space and find a column or function, or that's pretty much it, or like the constant here. So we have option to straight away go this way and like choose, let's say I'm going to have, what do I find here? Let's go with the function sum. And now I will go control space and I would choose, like, let's say a column, and I will go hourly rate and like this, right? And this won't work straight away, so I'll be creating like numbers here so we can find it. But how it actually works, so you can go this way with control and space, or you can simply choose a functions here. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. So I can go delete it, I can go functions, find a function which you want to see and use. But also guys, you always see the syntax and then you see the examples that you can use. So that's really effective what you can achieve with it and how we can work with it. So let me just find a sum, and now I will go with column, and then I can go with, let's say, an hourly rate, and then I can go like this and client cost, and look at this, it automatically summed the client cost with hourly rate, and I got a formula based on the function sum that I saw here, and I just followed the guide on how we can do it, right? So you see sum 238 13, and this is, I can do it with whatever I want. So let's say I'm going to have a column, or not column but function minus, I can go here. Now I'm going to column, and again I would go, let's say, client cost, and again similar to sum hourly rate, right? Look at this, and I client cost minus hourly rate. You can also use it as a min and max to see which one you want to do, but this is pretty much it how it works with formulas. It's nothing that much difficult, but of course it's going to be difficult if you want to use something more advanced. So that's something you should definitely know about. So let's say you want to go use functions and go with subtract days, add days, second, minutes, or you can simply click here, learn more about formulas, and here list of available formulas, and now here you would have the functions here, and you can always find the examples. So that's the first thing, and then you're gonna have like logical functions here, if or, similar to Excel or similar to Google Sheets, and then numeric functions, that you can read about every single function here, And then you're going to see date and time functions. And then you have constants and formal use cases. This is really great. You can check the formula use cases here, and you can find all like really great formulas that you can get inspired from. So run, multiple, divide, but you see all of them are more complex. Feel free to simply copy and paste the formula provided in the formula column directly. So I can simply click here and copy it. Look at this, show. Number of days. So this is pretty much it, what you can do and how you can work with formulas. And you have like tutorials here, how you can go deeper with it. Like I can create even like more complex formula if you want to. Look at like work days to from. Then you have like, look at this, calculating billable total using the time tracking column. That's another thing that you can do. So you get a lot of stuff here that you can get inspired to, but this really depends what do you actually need and what do you want to achieve. So this is pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe, ask a question down below that I can provide you. You just click here. You can also edit the settings. You can customize the formula. That's the way how you can do, or you can simply click on the formula and play around with the constants, functions, and columns. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.